Hello students, in the previous video we have started chapter 12 and we finished exercise 1 and 2, isn't it? These exercises we have done. This one is done. I told you to do in your notebook. This one I told you to do in the book. Now we are going to discuss exercise 3. Before we do that, we need to understand certain things. To solve exercise 3, should know what is transitive verb and what is intransitive verb. Kinds of verb, there are two different kinds, transitive and intransitive. Transitive verb में क्या होता है? For example, see, the cat killed a rat. Here what is the verb here? Killed. ये transitive है या intransitive है? Transitive verb में क्या होता है? There will be an object. ऑब्जेक्ट मतलब जो भी हम एक्शन करते हैं विच पासेस फ्रॉम द सब्जेक्ट टू समथिंग और टू समबडी. लिविंग थिंग हो सकते हैं या नॉन लिविंग थिंग हो सकते हैं. जो भी हम एक्शन करते हैं वो ऑब्जेक्ट में जो पास होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ द कैट किल्ड अ रैट. किल्ड इज द वर्ब हियर. दिस एक्शन इज पासिंग टू द rat here. So rat is the object. So this verb is transitive verb. Now intransitive verb, you see here, a verb that does not take an object in order to complete its sense is called an intransitive verb. See the example. The child cries. Cries is the verb here, but it is intransitive. Why? Because this verb is not having an object. So that's why it is an intransitive verb. Transitive verb, intransitive verb. Transitive verb means the action is passing to an object. It can be living or non-living. Intransitive verb, the verb doesn't have an object. The action actually stops with the verb and does not pass on to any object. Now let's see the exercise. See here. Exercise 3. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Went is the verb. See, pick out the verb. So you need to pick out the verb and tell whether it is transitive or intransitive. Went is the verb here. This action, is it passing to any object? Went up the hill. Okay, so it is transitive verb. Now, Alexander defeated all his enemies. Defeated. Action is passing to the enemies, so it is transitive verb. Now, the small boy carried a big box. Carried is the verb and action is passing to the object box. It is transitive. Meena sang very sweetly. Meena sang very sweetly. See, sang is the verb here. Sweetly is not object. It is, what do you say? It's an adjective. Object नहीं है वो. So sang is the intransitive. Okay, did you understand? This is not transitive verb. It is intransitive verb because this action is not passing to an object. The soldier died for his country. Died and country. It is a noun, okay? So the action is passing to the country. It is transitive. Time and tide wait for nobody. Wait, nobody. Transitive. Jimmy has a big dog. Has a big dog. Has is the, it is a transitive verb. Jimmy has a big dog. Transitive verb. Now let's see the next exercise. Let's see the 8th one. God loves us. Loves is the verb and it is passing to the object us. So it is transitive verb. Now, the weather is very fine. Is, I told you know about the helping verb. Sometimes it becomes the main verb. Okay, so is the verb here and here fine is the adjective. So it is intransitive verb. 10th one, we shall not go home today. Go is the verb and it is